Hey, you guys back up. Hey, I like this sweet tea. I like this sweet tea. Oh. Hey, attaboy.
Dropping the new video for the Cobra, street tuning it, you know, VMP got the hookup. But today we are in the 3 valve and we're going to be making a trip to another city to pick up some goodies for the Cobra. You guys will see what it is in a little bit, and we'll see you guys in a quick minute. Alright guys, so we are almost at the location. I'm hella excited. Getting these, you guys will see them when I get them in the car, but I'm excited. And let me just tell you, the Cobra's gonna be looking a little more sauced, and we'll have like party up front, business in the rear. So yeah. Alright guys, well, we got the Weld wheels for the Cobra. I'm really excited. My buddy Jesus hit me up. He's one of the subscribers. Shout out to him for letting me know about these wheels, man. I'm really excited, and I can't wait to slap these on the Cobra, so we'll test fit them. I got the new brake lines, and I got to do all the other stuff, but I'm really excited about this. Oh my god, guys, it is pouring like bad. Like, well, it was pouring for a quick second, and there was a lot of rain. Man, you guys don't even know like how long I've been wanting welds for. Like, it's been a dream since the first day I got the car, and then it's just crazy to think that I have them now. But people are probably like, what the hell is this thing on his head? Because that'd always be happening, but hopefully we can get out, bruh. The welds, I felt them, I lifted them. They're super light, like lighter than the Rovos, which is crazy to think. Less weight means that it can go faster, easier. Not necessarily, it's not that big a difference, but it's coming down pretty hard right now. Oh, we have some wheel hop there. Got some wheel hop. I had to go because they were taking way too long. We are going to be on the way home. It is raining pretty bad. Oh my god. Alright guys, well, I'm not going to bore you with any more footage than we need to, so when we get home we'll do a little test fit and we'll see what the day brings, and we'll just include it in the vlog, so we'll see you guys soon. I'm gonna call Joel up, and well, I want to air these up and see what they look like, and then just do a test fit on the Cobra. I know they're not gonna fit because I have to still install the brake lines and everything, and he even said like there's some marks on it from the brake lines rubbing, but we got new toe links, brake lines, and that's it. And all we have to do, and then we have to grind down the IRS knuckle. So we're gonna make it fit somehow, regardless, because they look sick. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we're at Joel's 5.0's house. We're gonna pump these puppies up with some air and just see how they look. Yeah? Do I feel like it's gonna like blow up in my face or something? No, there we go. That's nasty. Yeah, this is gonna be sick.
Look at that. So you're gonna take the Cobra on welds this year to have works?
That's the plan.
That's gonna be sick.
Damn, that fills up quick. Oh shoot, maybe I should move the Mustang. Yeah, we'll take it out, move the Mustang to the right side. Well, we made it to the Alex SVT house. The 3 valve always come in clutch. always been there for me. But we're gonna move this out the way. Move it to the left. We need to drop this thing soon. Oh my god, this looks so good. Yeah, we gotta drop this car soon and add some goodies soon, which hopefully will be happening within the next month or so. That's the hope. That's cool right there. So all I can do right now is just test fit them, because I know they're not gonna fit. Like, they might not even go on, to be honest, but I'm just gonna see if I could put one wheel on and just check it out. Let's see, do I have enough room? Yeah, let's see. Let's back this puppy up. Try to start it up. Get a little cold start for the vid. Sounds good. My time slips. Let's not look at those. No, I'm just kidding. My fastest quarter mile time was 12:3 with a 2-second 60 foot at 120, which was pretty good. I know I can hit 11s, especially now with the no lift shift and everything. Let's back this up a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Do right there. Yeah, that's cool. I need to get a low profile jack. I've been lagging. I missed the red guts. I want some 10th anniversary seats. That'd be sick. Someday. Some 10th Annies. I know Andrew is selling his, but he wanted some mint condition, and mine aren't that mint, you know what I'm saying? Okay. I gotta back it up. Struggle's real with lowered cars. Big facts. Milwaukee Impact. This thing is really good. It's really powerful. Just not really good for working under the car. Now that we found the correct conversion, I'm gonna slide this puppy in. This is what I use for my wheels. How the tires looking. These tires don't perform well, but I didn't buy them for that because I got the Welds. These things are, how light? Oh yeah, these are way lighter compared to the Rovos. That's crazy. Like I said in my previous videos, this is gonna need to be shaved down along with, well, I got the new toe links. I don't know if I need to grind anything down, but oh, I just ran over my toe. Okay. Let's see if we can just mount these up. It's a tight fit. Wow. Yeah, right there. There it hits right there. At the knuckle. That's such a tight fit. That's crazy. Yeah, that's really tight, but... Ooh, hold up. What the hell was that? It's so tight right there. Yeah, it just hits. Ooh. Those look sick. The setup is real. Oh my god, they look amazing. Like I said, I'm gonna need to grind down some stuff, but god damn, those look good. The Rovos. This is a nice setup. The color combo is amazing. The silver and everything just goes. Silver and chrome just go amazing together. I just love that. Get the little chrome back. I've always loved the OEM style wheels and the chrome finish, but now I got the Welds and I can't stop smiling. Like, they just make the car look so good. I can't believe it. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap up the video. So as you guys can see, the Welds look really nice on the Cobra. The silver and chrome with the lip, it just goes together for me. And that's something I miss about the Cobra, is I love the silver and chrome color scheme. That was what I've always loved. But then I went to the black. This light keeps going on and off. But The Cobra just has to get fitted for the wheels. I gotta grind down the IRS knuckle, like I said, and put the new brake lines on, so that'll be coming soon. But if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please consider like and subscribing. And make sure you hit the post notification bell so anytime I post a video, you guys will be notified. And with that being said, I will catch you guys next time, and peace out.